संवसारीक अन्न सुरक्षा दीस 7 जूनाक मनयतात. पूण एफडीएचो सर्वोत्कृष्ट पुरस्कार म्हूण गोंयाक पयलो नंबर मेळिल्ल्यान दिल्ली वचचें पडटलें म्हूण गोंय एफडीएन 16 जूनाक तो मनयलो. गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीचो अध्यक्ष राल्फ डिसोजा, गोंय राज्य प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाचो अध्यक्ष महेश पाटील हजर आशिल्ले. उक्तावणा उपरांत भलायकी आनी पोशणाचेर कार्यशाळा, सांजे मेळावो जातलो. पळयात उक्तावणाची कार्यावळ.
They have to look after the health as far as the medications, medicines, pharmaceutical sector is concerned. They have to look after your well-being, health again as far as food is concerned. They have to go down to schools because we have started a system of midday meals to ensure that there are some safe meals for our students. Then what is most important today is peace of mind and happiness index. And if you have good health, if you have nutritious food, these are the foundations for what everybody is looking at, the happiness index. The pharma sector is so huge that more than 12% of total India's production comes from Goa. And that's big considering India is one of the biggest pharma giants of the world today. The FDA has a role and it plays its role to weed out any harmful drugs, something that has harmful by side effects, or those which are outdated or maybe even expired drugs. And this quality control ensures our safety as far as our health is concerned.
As we know, we all in Goa are always number one in many of the things. The tourism, nature beauty, many other things, per capita income, education. But however, also there are flip side. And since I represent a statutory body called Pollution Control Board, we are also number one in per capita consumption of plastic. It's not a big thing, it's a plastic. So what we need to do is, we need to look at the flip side also. It's a plastic, which is a major issue. But what we could do, I think the collaborative efforts are required. Of course, the plastic is not because we consume. 4 times of our population we get a guest. The tourists which get the plastic here. Also, if it's a carbon footprint, they are also per capita highest in diesel and petrol consumption, which eventually convert into a global warming or a global warming gases. It happens because we have got so many people coming in, and they buy the petrol or they get the plastic, but the per capita. Of course, sometimes statistics is decisive. But we need to analyze how and where it's happening and what the control measures are taken place.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, जवाहर बर्वे आनी शिवानी सांगेलकार.